What's up, YouTube squad? I'm back with another video, same day. And today we are going to be showing you guys how to make funny sounds part 2.
She shot him with a shotgun.
Ribbit. Hi, I'm Pennywise, the dancing clown.